Hey everyone, welcome back to Engineers India. Here we make machines easy to understand, one tool at a time. Today, we're exploring refrigeration tools. We'll cover everything from cutting copper tubes to bending them. Get ready to become a refrigeration expert. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss this awesome video. Let's go. First, we have the tube cutter, a fundamental tool in the world of refrigeration. This is the most important tool in any refrigeration toolkit. Without it, making precise cuts in copper tubing would be nearly impossible. This tool makes clean cuts in copper tubes, which is really important to stop leaks. A clean cut ensures a tight seal, preventing any refrigerant from escaping. Adjust the cutter to the size of the tube, put the tube in and turn the handle a few times. It's a simple process, but it requires precision. Press firmly and evenly as you turn the cutter until it cuts through. Consistent pressure is key to achieving a smooth cut. There. A perfectly cut tube, ready for the next step. Whether you're installing a new system or repairing an old one, a clean cut is essential for a job well done. Now that we know how to cut, let's learn how to bend copper tubes with a tube bender. This tool makes smooth bends, perfect for fitting tubes in tight spots. Choose the angle you need, put the tube in and push the handle steadily. Keep pushing to avoid kinks. Let go of the handle and you have a perfectly bent tube. Next, flaring, making a wider opening on a copper tube for strong connections. Get your flaring tool, pick the right cone and put in the tube. Tighten the clamp, put the cone over the tube end and turn it clockwise. The cone will widen the tube, creating a flare. Take the tube out and you've learned how to flare. Let's talk about swagging, making the end of a copper tube bigger for tight connections. Pick the right size dies, put them in the tool and put in the tube. Squeeze the handles to make the tube end bigger. Let go when it's the right size. You've now swagged your way to a leak-proof connection. Now, fin combs. These are important for keeping condenser fins clean. Condenser fins remove heat, which is important for keeping things cool. Sometimes fins get bent or dirty, which makes them less effective. Gently run the fin comb through the bent fins to straighten and clean them. Your refrigerator will work better because of it. Let's look at the hollow punch. It makes clean holes in sheet metal. Sometimes you need to make custom holes for refrigeration installations. Choose the right punch size, put it on the sheet metal and hit it with a hammer. The punch will make a perfect round hole, a clean hole, ready for your refrigeration work. Now, the most important part of any refrigeration system, the refrigerant. This substance is crucial for the cooling process, and handling it with care is paramount to ensure safety and efficiency. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when handling refrigerant. These protective gears are essential to prevent any accidental exposure to the refrigerant, which can be harmful. Make sure the valve is closed tight before connecting it to the system. This step is critical to avoid any leaks that could lead to dangerous situations. Slowly open the valve to let the refrigerant flow in. Opening it too quickly can cause a sudden release of gas, which might be hazardous. Watch the pressure gauge so you don't put in too much. Overcharging the system can lead to inefficiencies and potential damage to the equipment. Close the valve tightly and disconnect the cylinder when you're done. Properly securing the valve ensures that no refrigerant escapes, maintaining safety and system integrity. Finally, the flexible charging line. It connects the refrigerant cylinder to the system. It's made of strong material that can handle high pressure. Connect one end to the cylinder and the other to the system. Open the valves to let the refrigerant flow, watching the pressure gauge. Close the valves and disconnect the line when you're finished. That's it, a quick lesson on refrigeration tools. We hope you found this information useful and that it helps you in your journey to becoming a skilled refrigeration technician. Remember, these tools are your helpers in becoming a refrigeration expert. Always wear safety gear, including gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from potential hazards. And make sure there's good ventilation when working with refrigerants. Proper ventilation is crucial to avoid inhaling harmful chemicals and to ensure a safe working environment. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Leave a comment if you have questions. We love hearing from you and are here to help with any queries you might have. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep those refrigerators working. Continuous learning and proper maintenance are key to success.